That is honestly, whoa. If you're wondering what I'm looking down at, I made notes. I know it's only 4 points, but I can't remember shit, so. Hello, Tonja here. Thank you for joining me today. In this video, we're gonna be doing something a little different. Instead of just doing a voiceover, I'm just going to talk to you face to face, my face to my lens, then to your face, about easy nail care tips for everyone. Not just for people who like to take care of their nails, not just for polish addicts. Those people know how to take care of their nails. These are for the people who get a manicure once a year at Christmas time. These are for the people who have never had a manicure. These are for all the people out there who know they shouldn't bite their nails. Know they need to take better care of their nails. They're saying, oh, my cuticles are terrible. Look at all this dry skin. My nails hurt. My fingertips hurt. My nails are always breaking. My cuticles are always bleeding or peeling. I don't know how to stop biting them. These 4 tips will help you not stop biting your nails, but because you're putting in this little tiny bit of effort, once you put your finger up to your mouth to bite your nails, you might think, what? I did some nail care today. I'm not gonna bite my nails. You may not, you may still continue to bite your nails, and if that's the case, that's totally up to you. You'll have to find another way to stop biting your nails if you want. But these 4 tips will help you stop biting your nails, keep your cuticles healthy. These are not just beautiful nail tips, these are healthy nail tips. That's what I'm trying to say. These are for everybody, everybody. So let's just get into it. Let's just get into what the 4 are, and then maybe you'll understand a little bit where I'm coming from. Number 1, the most important thing, and this isn't just for your nails, this is for literally every part of your body, but hydrate. Drink water. Drink lots of water. Drink more water than you think you need, because you'll just pee it out. Pure, clear, unflavored, uncolored water. Just drink water. Hot water, cold water, lemon water, cucumber water, it doesn't matter. Drink water. Hydrate your body. Put some fruit in it if you need some flavor. I personally don't like the flavors, the squirty flavor thingies. I'm not down for those. They taste weird to me. I'm not down for like artificial sweeteners and whatnot, but you do you. If that helps you drink water, do it up. Drink it. Not gonna judge you. It's gonna help your skin. It's gonna help your hair. It's gonna help your organs and your eyes and your bowel movements. It'll help all that. Hydrate. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Just drink water, all the water. Number 2, very similar to hydration, and a lot of people get it confused, but moisturize. So hydration is the water content of your body and your skin and your nails and your cuticles. The water content, which is incredibly important. When we say moisturize, we don't mean hydrate, we mean moisturize, which is the oil content. So hand lotion is good. Cuticle oil is best. Now, there are people out there who are like, cuticle oil is a scam, you can use any oil. Absolutely. If you do not want to go out and spend money on a cuticle oil, if you do not want to make your own or whatever, you can use any oil you want. Any oil. I would stay away from coconut oil simply because coconut oil has a high cleansing property, which is fabulous, but for a cuticle oil, it can be too drying. I've tried it and I found my cuticles, they weren't soft and supple. They seemed like I washed my hands too much and didn't moisturize. That's exactly what they seem like when I use coconut oil. But a nice olive oil, you have a little container, you can get them at the dollar store. Put a little bit of your cooking oil in, and there you go, you've got cuticle oil. If you find that you're getting an improvement with, say, olive oil, then maybe you do want to look into something formulated specifically for nails. There are going to be oils and waxes that absorb into the nail plate that much easier, that really get deep, that are really moisturizing for your nails. So you can totally use a simple olive oil. Hemp seed oil is another fabulous one for your nails. Lip balm. If you have an all-natural lip balm that you really like to use on your lips, go ahead and use it on your cuticles. When it comes to moisturizing and a cuticle oil, I would definitely recommend a cuticle oil or a good quality oil like olive oil or hemp seed oil, or a nice all-natural lip balm, a beeswax type lip balm. Go ahead and throw that on your cuticles as many times in a day that you can, at least once a day. If you can only manage once a day, do it right before you go to bed. If you can handle it multiple times a day, then just do it constantly. Cuticle oil, every time you think of it. Cuticle moisturizer, whatever you're using, do it. The number 3, and most people know, oh, I have to use cuticle oil, I should push back my cuticles. And they see people doing it with tools and orange wood sticks, and it becomes a task. It becomes something you have to go out and buy this, you then have to sit down, push back your cuticles. No, you do not need any of that. Have a nice shower, do your thing in the shower. It's gonna get hot, it's gonna get steamy, your pores are gonna open up, your skin is gonna become nice and supple. The skin around your cuticles is gonna become, or the skin around your nails is gonna become nice and cuticle. The skin around your nails is going to become nice and supple, easy to move around, easy to manipulate. Any dead skin or non-living tissue that's on the nail plate and around the skin of your nail is going to be easily swept off by just a towel. So after you're done your shower, get out, you're drying off with your towel. Part of your routine can easily become pushing back your cuticles with your towel. No force, no tools, just the texture of the terry cloth of the towel and your supple, moist skin. The terry cloth will exfoliate any dead skin right off very easily. No pain, no tools. 30 seconds added to your routine, if that, and you've got exfoliated cuticles and your nail plates are nice and free of dead skin. Number 4, and this one is not required. I mean, none of them are required. Well, they are required. If you would like to have healthy nails, then these are required. Number 4 is not required, but it is recommended. A good manicure is never a bad idea. Whether you do it yourself and you've done some research on the products and the techniques you want to use, or you go to a salon. If you're going to go to a salon, please make sure it is a reputable salon with licensed nail technicians. They will take care of you. You will be in good hands, no pun intended. If you want to do it yourself, that's absolutely fine too. Do a little bit of research, find out the tools and techniques that you might need. In fact, there's plenty of YouTube tutorials out there for you to do a nice spa style manicure at home for yourself. The reason I say a manicure at a salon is because if there is something a little bit funny with your nail, if you have any questions, if you notice something different, this is the time to ask. These are people who are trained to see the funny things in nails. These are people who are trained to fix the funny things that happen to nails. Or they can tell you that you need to seek medical advisement. That doesn't mean there's something wrong with your nails. That means that what they see, they are not trained essentially to fix. That is the 4 super incredibly easy nail care tips for everybody. Remember, your nail health is just as important as your polish. It's just as important as the products that you are looking up reviews on. It is just as important as the brushes you're using. Nail health, nail care is the number 1 step to beautiful, healthy, strong nails. So with that, I thank everybody for watching this video. If you liked this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And go ahead and leave a comment below if you found this helpful. If you have any other tips that you might like to add to this that you've found really helpful for simple nail care health, go ahead and leave a comment below. And if this looks like a channel that you might be interested in, go ahead and subscribe. I would really appreciate that. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again later. Bye.